Hello students, I am Ardhendra Shah, Dean RN Research and Consultancy. Actually, I am going to explain you the research and consultancy activity of NIT Agartala through some PPT. So, in this respect, National Institute of Technology Agartala witnessing an exponential growth in R&D activities. Apart from large consultancy, we are doing we are doing good research. We are carrying out good research in our institute, and several papers we published in journals, conference, and we are organizing symposium, and we are attending, our students and faculties are attending the symposium of India and abroad. Okay. Research activities of NIT Agartala. In brief, NIT Agartala signed several MOUs with reputed institutes for research and collaborative activities, and our faculty members obtained projects from DST, ISRO, DBT, ACRB, CPRI, ICSSR, ICMR, CSIR, and Tribal Research and Culture Institute, etc. During 2020, we published 217 SCI journal paper and 80 Scopus journals paper, 82 international conference. Grant received in sponsored research project. In brief, 1919-20, 139 lakhs. 18-19, it was 152 lakhs. 17-18, it was 118 lakhs. And 16-17, this figure was the more, and it was 269 lakhs. Grant received from consultancy work and testing works. In 16-17, it was 62 lakhs. 17-18, it was 61 lakhs. 18-19, it is 30 lakhs. And 19-20, it is 60 lakhs again. Patent in 2017, it was 2 patents we filed, and it yet to published, and on 18 we filed 4 patents, 4 published, and 19 we filed 9 patents, 7 has been published, and 2020 due to COVID there is a decline, and the 2 patents we filed and 2 patents published. MOU signed between NIT Agartala and ISRO regarding the Indian incubation center, first incubation center, and this incubation center was inaugurated by our Chief Minister of Tripura, and remotely from ISRO headquarters. And total 8 TDP project is already approved, and for that 30% grant amounting rupees 39 lakhs has been sanctioned by ISRO. Innovation Tata Cell of NIT Agartala is working under the leadership of Dr. Parthopratim Sarkar, and under that the institute has participated IIC Innovation Contest 2020, and NIT Agartala received 21 ideas, 2 proof of concept, 24 prototypes for evaluation. The sales is encouraging both students and faculty members to activity participate in innovation related activities. DST's FIST sponsored department of NIT Agartala. Mechanical engineering 2.24 crore fund received in 2016, and this fund actually sanctioned. This is the sanctioned amount, and a percentage of it we got. Electrical engineering 110 lakhs, sanctioned in 2013. Mathematics department 0.49 lakhs in 2016, and physics department 110 lakhs in 2014. Besides this, under FEAST program, the facilities developed by the four department is here. Okay. Facilities developed by under FEAST program is like this. Central research facility, under central research facility we are having SEM, TEM, AFM, XRD, FTIR, optical spectrum analyzer, ellipsometer, UV visible spectrophotometer. Central research facility, these are the instruments, these are the pictures of different instruments. They are being used by our students and teachers for their research work. So this is the brief activities under the Dean Research and Consultancy section of NIT Agartala. I hope you will find a good facilities in this institute regarding research and a good research environment. Thank you very much.